Hi, I'm David LoPresti. I'm here in the LoPresti Aviation facility in Sebastian, Florida. And behind me they're installing new Cirrus IceSkates on this G1. Now why IceSkates? IceSkates help keep your brakes cool so your brakes last longer and work better. They're also a different aerodynamic shape and have some special features. Here's the nose pan, different shape, lighter weight, big door so it's easy to check your air pressure. I'll show you that on the airplane here in just a second. There are a couple other features you can only see on the plane. Now the main pan also has a big door, better aerodynamic shape, NACA duct on the inside blowing air right in at the brake caliper, an exit vent across the trailing edge so that hot air can come out, and all the brake dust comes out the back, keeping your pant much prettier, much cleaner. To get the pant on and off, we use these specially manufactured quarter turn fasteners, so it's a snap to get the pant on and off after it's on your airplane. Let me show you some tricks about installing the pant. Okay, I'm here with Ed Hitt, who's our installation manager here. Ed, how did the installation go?
Not bad. It's a lot simpler. We have 3/4 turn fasteners on here.
Yeah, the old one, the stock one, has a big piano hinge. And I don't know about you, but I always left half of my knuckle skin behind trying to pull that off.
The paint.
And the steps for putting the new one on, you put the aft piece on,
Aft piece,
the forward piece, and then the strut cover. Anything?
You want to make sure these holes are centered for your tug. You may have to enlarge for some different style tugs. Other than that, it's pretty easy.
Cool.
You want to make sure they're centered like that.
Awesome. And let's take a look at the air door. Here's the air door. You can see the air valve. A whole lot easier to get into it. Okay, here's one of the secrets that we didn't show you. Underneath here, right about at this point, little